they would like. As you might be able to tell, I'm currently back at my family's house. I've been here for a couple of days because Danny is on a work trip right now and I did not fancy staying by myself at the flat for like 4 days. So I have come home and today my mum and I did a little bit of shopping. So I wanted to show you what I got. I also do already have my pajamas on. It's literally 3:30. But when I'm home, I like to be relaxed and just really not do a whole lot, to be honest. So we started by going to a fabric shop. It was one in Kenning Park and I got a couple of fabrics because I want to make a couple of my friends' tote bags. If you guys have been following along, I've been doing sewing classes. I actually did one yesterday and I've got another one tomorrow with my mum. But one of the weeks we made a tote bag and I thought that it could make a good present. So I got 2 different fabrics. I was really stressed in the shop, I'm not gonna lie. There was a lot of fabrics and it was quite overwhelming and it took me quite a while to decide what to get. I think the lady at the shop hated me. But I got 2 different ones. I got this blue floral one and then I got this one. I don't really know how to describe this, but I really like this kind of pattern. You'll see something else later with this similar thing. So I got the 2 of those and then I got just some lining for the inside of it, and then for the straps I got this ribbon thread. I don't know. In the tote bags we made at the sewing class, we made our own straps, but they were really difficult to do and I thought that it would probably just be a lot easier if I just got this, and I think that that goes fairly well with both of the fabrics. And then my mum wanted to go to a charity shop in Govan. I think it was called Magpie something to do with a magpie, and I got a few things. So the first thing that I got, my mum actually bought this for me. I saw this when we came in. They had a wee box of like 50p crockery things. So I got this wee teacup and this plate. Thought this was very cute. My mum really liked this, which is why she said she would get it for me. Bones just moved my camera, so Bones, please don't start playing with the wrapping paper. I then got this other teacup, which I thought was nice, but the main reason I got it was because it came with 6 of these little bowls, and I thought these would be so good for having people around, putting just some treats in it. I feel like this is a really bad angle now. And you see what I mean by like this kind of pattern. I feel like a lot of you will know what I mean by this sort of thing, but I really like it and I thought these bowls were nice. And for the teacup and the 6 bowls altogether, it was £3. Now moving on to clothes, the first thing that I bought was this beaded top. This is what it looks like. I love this. I feel like it's so nice. I tried it on and it fits really nicely as well. I feel like it could be the tiniest bit smaller, but I still think it looks really nice. And this was only £4, which I feel like is quite good because it's quite good quality and it's obviously beaded like all over. Then I got another top. This one was £3 and it just looks like this. Again, I've tried this on and it's really flattering on. I feel like this one fits really nicely. And then at the back it's got this like corset kind of lace up thing. It will be great for the summer, I feel like. And then the last thing that I bought were a pair of jeans, and I don't know why I bought these. I'm not really a jean person. I just don't really like jeans, but I feel like I don't have any jeans that I like, so sometimes when I go to charity shops and I see a pair of jeans, I'm like, oh, I should get those. And I need to remind myself that I don't really like jeans. But then I do feel like one day I'll find a pair of jeans that I actually do like, but today was not that day, unfortunately. But I did buy these jeans anyway. They are originally from COS, and they say slim straight leg on it, which I was like, I'm not sure, because I don't really like skinny jeans. But they were £5. They're just these black jeans. I've tried them on and they fit like fine. My mum thinks they look nice, but I just don't really love them. And they're that kind of jean material, you know, when it's like a bit stretchy, and I feel like that's just not flattering because they stretch out. I feel like jeans have to be like that denim that like does not stretch at all. So I'm slightly disappointed about these. I'm not sure if maybe I'll just try and sell them on Vinted or something like that. I mean, I would maybe wear them, but I just don't really think I would. I kind of knew at the time I shouldn't have bought them, so I don't really know what I was thinking. But that's my little haul for today. I mean, it's not that little, to be honest. I feel like I got quite a lot of stuff, which was maybe a mistake because Danny and I are going to Paris next week, so I feel like I should be saving my money. I am pleased with my fabrics though, and I feel like these will make a nice present, so I'm actually going to do that this evening, I think, or at least I'll make one of them. I can't really remember how to make a tote bag, to be honest, so I'm gonna have to rope my mum in to help me.
And I drove 3 hours to feel the rain, 'cause I'm tired of the sun. And every morning.
Okay, I've cut out my fabric for the first tote bag. This is the one I'm doing first, and then I'll do that one afterwards. And then I've cut out 4 bits of lining so that I don't have to cut out more later for that one.
Poured out by the California sun. Thing for me in the middle of January. Why am I in shorts? It's still warm. I drove 3 hours to feel the rain, 'cause I'm tired of the sun.
Good morning everyone, I'm currently getting ready. It is the 17th of March today, it's St. Patrick's Day, and if you've watched any of my vlogs of St. Patrick's Day over the past few years, then you know that I always go out with my friends for St. Patrick's Day. It is currently 20 past 11. I am meant to be at my friend's house for freeze at midday, but I think I might be late, which is not a surprise, but I thought I could take you along with me today. I think we are going to Kitty O'Shea's in town. I might try and persuade my friends to go to Owenmore because Jedward are gonna be there, and I'm like, that is so iconic. I want to go see Jedward. However, I think I'm gonna say no. So it most likely will be Kitty's in town. I'm quite excited. I will say though, I made a bit of an error yesterday. We went out for the rugby to the pub, and I was like, I'm not gonna drink anything because I don't want to be hungover. And I didn't drink at the pub, and then afterwards I went to my friend's house and I bought a bottle of Prosecco and I drank basically all of it. So I am actually feeling slightly hungover today, which is really unlucky. Oh no, my camera's gonna die. Why on earth will this not open? Oh, it's sealed. I'm going to add a little bit of green. I was trying to find, when I went to California, I bought this green Colourpop wee pencil thing. I can't find it anywhere. I don't know if it's maybe at my family house, but I did find this Revolution palette that's got a green in it, and I feel like that goes quite well with my top. So I might put it in the inner corners. I feel like I've tried stuff like that before and it doesn't look good, but I think I'm gonna attempt it anyway. I don't have anything to drink yet, so I'm gonna go to the shop on the way and I'm gonna buy, I think, Prosecco and orange juice and make like a Bucks Fizz kind of thing. I feel like that's more of an acceptable thing to drink at 12 o'clock. This is kind of an ugly green. I feel like it just looks like I've got like some sort of condition on my eye. Here is my St. Patrick's Day outfit. My hair looks kind of crazy, but it will drop a bit. I put wee clips in, but I may end up taking them out, I'm not sure. Let's see your look. Oh, you're not wearing any green?
No, I have a top that says Guinness on it.
He's got some green in his shoes.
I do, I got green socks.
We actually wear matching shoes. But yours are green and black. Woo! Let's go, we're literally like...
I'm not really.
Yep, sorry Hannah's got